Hola! So today I went to the tropical spice garden here in the island of Penang in Malaysia. It was on the north coast of the island where there's a lot of really nice beaches, and as the name would suggest, the tropical spice garden is a garden where they grow a lot of spices, particularly the ones that you find in Malaysian and all sorts of Asian cooking. And I found that stuff really interesting. You know, we got to see how these things are grown and sniff them and sample them and learn about their histories and all of the different uses and things like that. I know that sounds super boring, but it was actually pretty interesting.
People, they came so far away to our region here. They are looking for spices, and the main reason, one of it, is actually to preserve the meat. So what kind of spices they use to preserve the meat?
Thanks.
We call torch ginger.
What ginger?
Torch. It's just like torch, right? Oh, you did.
Thanks.
I love this ginger flower very much. It's actually the thingy.
And then after the tour we did a cooking class where we made nasi lemak, which is a traditional Malaysian dish, and it was awesome. To be able to make it from scratch was just really fun, and it tasted so much better than other ones that I've tried before. And the instructor was really cool. She made it really fun for everybody as well.
Ginger, lemongrass, cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, clove. Yes.
That's cool. I think the coconut's the important part anyway.
Yes. Yes, that's very simple. Just let them steam inside the oil, yeah? So are you like
And also a dessert called lepat pisang, which is basically a steamed banana cake pudding sort of thing, which was okay.
Okay, Jimmy. Yasmin, you may want to put here. Please remember where you...
After that, I went to the Tropical Fruit Farm. Another creative name. This is a place where they farm tropical fruits. All of it is organic, and they don't sell them to outside venues. They don't make huge quantities or anything. It's just for sale on site. They also made a few honeys that we got to taste, and some enzymes, which are drinks like apple cider vinegar and things like that. And they just had hundreds of combinations made with all sorts of different spices and fruits and things like that, and some of them were really nice. Okay.
Hello, hi.
Start with the light taste first, with the pomegranate, carrot, apple, pear, and pineapple. You can get the same cup to try a different type of the enzyme. We have a ginger, nut.
I think I might try the ginger, apple, pear, and pineapple. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Ooh. And then at the end of that you have a fruit buffet, and you get to go to town on all these different fruits that they have. Unfortunately, they didn't have some of the fruits that I really love and really wanted to try again, like sapotes and durians and mangosteens and stuff like that. But it was a great day, so if you're into food and cooking and things like that and you're in Penang, definitely check out those two places.